Good morning and welcome to this morning's edition of Keto and Proud. I come to you from my car. I am on my way to my son's field trip at the Imagination Station today. I'm a proud parent volunteer, and while we were there, we will be eating lunch. Now, I'm sure as we're eating lunch, it will come up when I pull out my nuts and seeds and protein bar. Are you on a diet? And I am prepared to proudly say yes, I am on the keto diet. And people may make comments, they might scoff, they might make fun of you and be like, oh, fad diets, what are you gonna do? But I want to encourage you to be prepared and to be excited to stand up to them and say, yeah, you know what? I felt the same way, but I did the research and it just makes so much sense to me. I'm just so excited to be on this lifestyle. I feel so great. And I'm already down like 18 pounds. Isn't that crazy? And they really won't have much to say after that. People tend to attack others who are doing something great as a means of self-defense. Maybe they're self-conscious. Maybe they tried a diet and failed. Maybe weight has never been something that they struggled with, so they don't empathize with your situation, but that's okay. Your value and the excitement and the worth of what you're doing doesn't come from their opinions. It comes from you, and it comes from what God has created you and endowed you to do. So I want to encourage you to stand tall. Be keto and proud. When you're at the restaurant, you order your cheeseburger, no bun with a side salad instead of fries, and people are like, oh, are you like on a diet or something? Yeah, I'm doing the keto diet. Actually, I think it's going to be a new lifestyle, and I'm so excited about it. So stand tall, be proud, never be ashamed of doing something good for yourself. In your diet, in your lifestyle, in your personal boundaries, whatever it is. Stand tall, be proud, and be excited. Thank you so much. Have an awesome Wednesday morning, and I'll be back later. Thank you.